So hello everyone and I welcome you all to APJ Academy where we started a very good series on previous year questions. So if you complete this previous year question, I am very much confident that you will be able to ace the entrance exam of JEE this time only. So on this APJ Academy, we are creating and nurturing the young minds to become just like our idol APJ Abdul Kalam. So in today's session, I am going to solve some previous year question. I have taken a very good examples. So I am going through all the previous year question so that you are going to understand that which type of questions might be asked in your this entrance exam, right? So I want that before starting this lecture, you please share this lecture with your friends so that you also enjoy the session and it would be become much more confident and much more what will be saying competitive, right? So class should be competitive. But before we are starting our lecture, I want to know the quality of broadcast. Are you able to see me? Are you all able to see me? If you are all able to see me, the audio is clear, the video is clear, you please rate the rating of the broadcast as 10. But if you are seeing that there is some issue with anything that with audio or video, you can mark accordingly. Like if there is no audio or video, you can mark this rating as 1. So please let us know. Okay. Now when we are done with our broadcast checking, so here's my introduction. That my name is Manoj Kumar. I am physics educator on APJ Academy. Before joining APJ Academy, I was associated with much more renowned institutes. So I have 8+ years of teaching experience, and this 8 years is split into online and offline. So I know that how students prepare for the toughest exam in India and what makes them winners and what makes them loser. So regularly interacting with my student in these 8 years, I know that where the students lacks, right? So I guided more than 1 lakh of student, of course, on online, and based on my qualification, I did my BTech from Delhi and I also completed my MBA from Delhi itself. So this is my very new series of previous year question where I am naming this session as sprint. Why sprint? Because I am going at a very fast pace and I am feeling that you all know the basics. And I had taken very good questions from IIT JEE Mains and Advanced. So I am very much confident that if you attend all my lectures from this series, then you will be able to crack the JEE Mains this time only. You do not require any other material. If you follow my series, if you follow my tricks related to the previous year questions of JEE Physics, I am telling you that you will be able to ace the entrance exam just like a butter walk, right? Are you all ready, Tejas? So please share this session with your friend. And you know what is the difference between the student who got selected and the student who did not? Do you know? If you say that yes, means if I am telling you that there are around 10 to 15 lakh of students who will be filling the entrance exam of JEE, right? So the registrations are on and there are so many registrations are coming for this April attempt. But all of them have the same goal, to get the admission in IITs, the premier institute of India, to become the engineers. Even I was having an aim at the time when I was in the school, but I didn't able to crack the entrance exam of JEE. But this makes me what? This makes me teacher, and I am now wanted to be a facilitator for you all. The pain is still here that I was not get selected in the JEE exam, right? So I know that winners and losers have same goal. Even I was having the same goal at that time. But what is the difference between the winner and loser is that winners have the plan to succeed. They know that how and where they'll be going. The losers just enjoy their life, right? So let's start. And once last information I want to share this with you is that please subscribe this YouTube channel, because there are so many free classes coming on this YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed it yet, subscribe it now. And because why? As I always said you that winners have a plan. So here we have a plan. There are so many free regular classes are going on in this YouTube channel. So you can make your timetable like physics class will be at 7 p.m. So physics class will be at 7 p.m. So it will be a very, hello Tejas. Please share the session with your friend Tejas. So please mark this timetable. The physics class will be at 7 p.m. So make yourself available to attend this live, because if you attend this live session, then we can interact in this live session. So it becomes very, very much interactive, very much helpful for you, right? So let's start. Wait. So let's start our series. This series is known as JEE Previous Year Question Sprint, where I had taken so many examples from JEE Previous Year questions, and I'll be sharing so many tricks that after attending these series of lecture, I am confident that you will be able to crack the JEE exam. You will be able to know that what is the level of JEE exam and what preparation you have to do if you really want to ace this exam this time only, or in your first attempt only. Otherwise, if you are feeling that yes, you need some more questions, you need some more help, then you can always connect with me in the description section. In the description, you can get the link, right? Shall we start? Please let us know that shall we start the JEE Previous Year questions. Are you all ready? This series is being brought up by APJ Academy. So subscribe this YouTube channel if you do not want to miss the future updates. So here's the first question. Wait a minute, I'll adjust this screen. Solve this question. Solve this question. So the question says that, yes Tejas, so here the question says that in 1 second a particle goes from point A to point B moving in a semicircle. So here the diagram was missing, but I'll draw the diagram for you. I'll draw a diagram for you. This is the A point. The particle is moving in a circular path of radius 1 meter. Wait a minute, I need to check this because diagram was missing in this question. So we must know that what is the value, because if yes, this was 1 meter. Okay, so the radius is 1 meter. This point is A, this point is B, and a particle is moving from point A to B in 1 second, right? And you need to calculate what is the average velocity. So if you remember the formula, whenever you got these types of numericals, you should know that don't go with your guts. Don't go with your guts. This is the first formula to crack any entrance exam. Go with the formula, go with the logic only. If you are able to apply the logic, then only solve this question. Otherwise, you will be marked, you will be rewarded with -1 marks, right? So the formula of average velocity is total displacement upon total time. This we already know because the question is very old. So we can say that the pattern of question is very much simple, right? So we know that the average velocity formula is total displacement upon total time, right? So it is total displacement upon total time. And when I am saying that the total displacement is, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, and the particle is moving from this point to this point. This is the starting point, right? And in case of finding the displacement, we just need to see the initial point and the final point. We do not care about that which path the object is moving, the which path object is taking, or from which path the object is moving. We just need to bother about which is the starting point and which is the ending point. So here we know that the displacement is of 2 meter, and the total time, as already given in the question, it's 1 second. So here is our answer. It's 2 meter per second. That's so easy. It's damn easy. But there are so many questions in your real JEE exam which are easy, and I always want you that you should go with these types of questions. Never miss these types of questions in your exam, because these are very important. If you miss these simple questions in your entrance exam, then it will become a trouble for you, because here the competition is about the rank. It's not about getting the marks. It's about that whether you are superior than your competitor or not, right? There is a very big difference between the competition exam and the board exam or the school exam which you are giving. The main aim of the school exam is to make you literate, make you pass the exam, right? They want that all of you must pass. In the entrance exam, it's not like that. In entrance exam, you need to fight with the other candidates. It doesn't matter whether you score high or low. The main thing is that what is your relative mark with your competitor, right? So this is very important question, and similar type of question you can find in your H.C. Verma book. If you have done that book, I always suggest my student that first book which you need to solve when you are preparing for the entrance exam like JEE or NEET is H.C. Verma and NCERT. So this question is directly from H.C. Verma. See how we can find out. There are two methods. First one is the shortcut trick. Which I am sharing with you. The shortcut trick is like that. We can see the options. And then identify that which options can't be the answer, or use some logic, right? So there are 4 options and all of these are different if we are seeing the direction. So if I can find out the direction of the acceleration, then I can easily find out that which is the correct answer, right? So in the question it is saying that the particle is going in the eastward direction, right? So we know that the directions is like this: east, west, north and south. So the particle is going in eastward direction with 5 meter per second. I can say that eastward direction is I. In 10 seconds the velocity changes to 5 meter per second in the northward direction. That means the particle is moving in J direction, right? So you are saying that the object is turning, right? And when the object is turning, the acceleration will always be towards the center. So you can easily find out that the acceleration will be in this direction, northwest. So I can easily find out that the answer will be C part. This is the trick. This is the trick which I am using, that see the option, identify that from which part you can easily mark the correct answer. So the direction, from direction I can easily mark, I can easily choose that which option is correct, right? Now if I am going with the conventional method, that how to solve these types of question, then how I will be approaching this, because this facility of using the shortcut trick will not be available all the time, right? So we should know that how we will be able to solve this question if we do not know the shortcut trick, or if shortcut trick was not applying in that case, then how we will be able to find out. Then as we know that the question is asking about the average acceleration, so we will go with the formula. Formula said that acceleration is nothing but the change in velocity divided by time. We know that the final velocity is in the y-axis, right, northward. So I can write that final velocity is 5j and the initial velocity was 5I. This is the initial final velocity minus initial velocity, and the time it took for this change is 10 seconds. So time is here 10 seconds. So I can easily say that the acceleration is minus I by 2 plus j cap divided by 2. So this is my acceleration. I can find out the magnitude here, that what is the magnitude. Magnitude can be easily find out using vectors. So these are same. I can say that it's nothing but 2 into 1 by 4. It's 1 by root 2. So acceleration is 1 by root 2, right? So you can easily find out that acceleration is 1 by root 2 and the direction is northwest. So I hope that you know that how we will be going to solve it with the conventional method and with the shortcut trick. And remember that any entrance exam, I am not telling about that whether it's about JEE, it's about NEET, or it's about some NDA exam, or it's about any entrance exam, even the IAS, you can say the civil service exam, right? Tejas, are you getting it? North to west. Okay, well done Tejas, well done. What I was telling you, sometimes student thinks that what happened, that if he was not able to crack the entrance exam. Many times this thought may come in your mind, isn't it? So what you will do at that time? You must know that you can, if you took the birth, then it's the God's, I can say it's the God work, that He will provide you with the bread. He will provide you the bread. You can't die. You can't die, right? The main thing is that कि आपको रोटी की चिंता नहीं करनी है. You must bother about कि भाई आप रोटी के साथ और कुछ बढ़िया चीज खा सकते हैं कि नहीं खा सकते हैं. Ask your father that whether he will be financing your food till death or not. He will say yes, even if you were failed. So if you took science, I am 100% sure that you will be able to earn your bread. You have so much talent. The only thing is that whether you will reach your potential, maximum potential or not. So remember this point, that you have to reach your maximum potential so that you will be able to help other person, right? If you are below your potential, then you won't be able to give help to the others. So if you really want to help other person, then it's the necessity that you must go and excel in your life, right? So this is very important question. This was asked in 2014 mains question of JEE, and when this question came in the exam, the students were very tensed. The students were very tense, and there were very few students who were able to solve this question. Even in the class when I was taking the classes, and when I gave this question, very few students, even the brilliant students, failed to get the right answer in first attempt. The question is not difficult. As if you are going with the tradition, the question is not difficult. It's just that you should know the approach, which approach you will be following. So if you are able to solve this question, I am 100% sure that you will be able to crack the JEE exam and you are a JEE IITN material. So you are an IITN material if you are able to solve this question. So what's given in the question? Let's solve. Let's try and solve this question. Let's read the first question, draw the diagram and start solving. From a tower of height h, so draw a tower, mark this as height h, a particle is thrown vertically upward. So I am standing on the tower and I am throwing the ball vertically upward. Means like I am having a ball, right? So I am throwing this ball upward. So I am providing some initial velocity, right? Without providing the initial velocity, this ball will come back and hit on my face and I won't be able to take your classes. So you should know that your sir knows physics, that he should provide some velocity so that the ball would go high in the ground. So if I am providing the velocity u, then for reaching the maximum height till it achieves the velocity 0, the time taken by it will be, sir, it can be easily identified by using v is equals to v minus u is equals to at. If I'll put that gt and v is 0 at the highest point, so t is equals to u by g, right? Isn't it? So the time taken by the ball to reach the maximum height is u by g, and as per the question, it is given that the time taken by the particle to hit the ground is n times. Means when I am throwing this ball from that point, if I am starting the counter from that time, when I am releasing the ball with a velocity of u vertically upward, then total time t is n times the time taken to reach the maximum height. That means ki it's n time of t1. I can say this is nug. Are you getting this? I am saying that the total time to reach the ground is equals to nt1. Are you getting this? This is the important, I can say that the Q given in the question. This is the important Q given in the question. If you fail to identify this, then you fail to solve this question, isn't it? After that, this question is very easy. I am saying that this question is not difficult at all. The only thing which you need to grasp is that this thing. Are you getting Tejas? And Tejas, please, I want that next time when you are joining my class day after tomorrow, then you please bring one friend with you, because one teacher is teaching only when the students is supporting their teacher. So if you are liking my lecture, you are attending my lecture regularly, then it's your work that you must recommend my lectures to your friend, isn't it? How can I go to some students? It's your duty that you should recommend. Next. So the time taken to reach this height means going down. I can say I know that S is equals to ut plus half at square, right? This is equation of motion. Then I can substitute this with minus of h. U is I am providing with u, and the time taken will be t plus half minus, right? So minus half g t square. So this is the equation which I am using, and I am substituting the value of t. So t is nu by g. So if I am substituting the value of t, I am getting minus h u, and t is nu by g. So I am saying that it's nu square by g. It's nu square by g minus of half g. T is the square of t is n square u square and here g square, right? So I am cutting this g with this g. Okay, I am cutting this g with another g. So I am getting this as n u square divided by g minus of half n square u square divided by g, right? So if I am multiplying this number by 2 by 2, I am getting this. So I can take the common, I can take common minus of n because I want to cut this minus here. So this will come here n minus of 2, right, and u square. So this will be the equation, and now we are done. We can delete, we can cut this minus with this minus, and we are getting this answer. 2gh is equals to nu square n minus 2. So this is my answer. Oh, now somebody can ask that, sir, why you are using these many colors when you are writing? Because tomorrow is Holi, the festival of color, and I am writing, I am using multiple colors, that's why, right? So the answer is, out of these options, what is the answer? Please tell me. Out of these options, what is the answer? I already find out for you. What is the answer? This is the answer. A. Very good, Tejas. Very good. So let's move. This is also a very good question. I can say that these types of questions are very simple if you know the basics. But even very intelligent students did wrong, attempt this wrong when they were solving or when they were giving the mock test. Why? Why, sir? Why? And why you are saying that even intelligent student fails to do this in your exam? Because of self-confidence. Many a time students think that these types of questions are very simple, and they try to apply the shortcut tricks, and while doing the calculation they miss out the important points. So if you know that the distance traveled in nth second, the formula is given by u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. So this is the formula of distance traveled in nth second. Got it? So as per the question, we have to find out Sn divided by Sn plus 1. So this is our task. A small block without friction inclined due a small block of mass m. A small block slides without friction due down an inclined plane starting from rest. This point is very important. Because u is 0 here, right? Let Sn be the distance traveled from time t is equals to n minus 1 to t. That means this is asking about the nth time, right? So the question is done, because we get to know that if there is no friction, then we can apply the equation of motion. Why? Because the acceleration is constant. So I can easily find out u is 0 here as per the question. So I can say that the Sn will be 2a by 2, 2n minus 1, right? And Sn plus 1 will be a by 2 will remain same. And here see that what I am saying you, that the even intelligent student will be making some mistake here. We are substituting the value of n with n plus 1, and here it will be minus 1. So a by 2 will cut with a by 2, and if we solve this 2n minus 1, this will be multiplying with this, right? So it will be 2n plus 2 minus 1. So I am getting plus 1. So this is my ratio. This is my ratio, this is my answer. I hope that you are enjoying the lecture. So we are doing previous year question. A, Tejas? No. What is the answer? I told you that when the student was solving, they substitute, just they know that the formula is 2n minus 1. They substitute it by 2n plus 1 and they thought that plus 1 and minus 1 will cut down. But it's not like that, because we know that it will come in the bracket. So when the quantity comes in bracket, we have to multiply this with the previous term, right, which is coming in front of that. So the answer will be, C. If you mark this correct, please give yourself 4 marks. Give yourself pat. You are IIT material. You are IIT material. Don't waste your talent, baby. Don't waste your talent. Use your talent. Use. Are we all set? Are you all getting what I am saying? Shall we move? Shall we move? Please let me know. Shall we move? Tejas. So, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. So, if you really want to become a leader, how many leaders do you know? How many leaders do you know? Do you know who is Sundar Pichai? Do you know who is Sundar Pichai? He was from IIT. It's not like that once you go into the IIT you will become a leader. There also you have to read so many books. So make a habit of reading, because one who reads is the one who leads, right? Another quote, the ones who read is the one who lead. So if you really want to inculcate the leadership qualities in you, the only thing which you need to first start, because if you find out that how to become a leader, there is no book which will be telling you that these are some steps, if you follow these steps you will become a leader. It's not like that. Even very few popular leaders even face difficulty when they come into the media, isn't it? There are so many examples you might have heard that there are so many leaders who faces difficulty to lead. Why? There is one rule which I am telling you. The only rule to become a leader is to become a reader. It's not about that whether you are reading the physics, whether you are reading something else. It is about that you are having some knowledge other than your technical subjects. So reading is must. Reading is must. So start reading something so that you won't miss out anything. And now I want to tell you one research that was done by Britishers, and it come out to be a very good learning for all of us if you are a student. The research was, once upon a time, the British researchers separated a group into 3 parts, right? There were so many students, I can say, they separated them in 3 groups. First one is the control group. What they tell in the control group was that they were telling them that what they need to do, right? There was some ideal plan. They were provided with the ideal plan that yes, you need to do these tasks, you need to read this book, you need to solve these types of questions, you need to read from this time to this time. So one ideal plan was given to the control group, right? It can be related to the study, it can be related to the gym workout as well. One who is going to the gym can be guided that yes, you need to go to the gym daily. By going gym daily or by doing yoga, you can improve your health. So these types of ideal plan were shared with the control group, right? In the motivational group, they were not only provided with the ideal plan, but they were They were also provided with details about the plan and the details about benefits. Like if we go into the control group, I'm telling you that you should do yoga to be healthy, you should eat light to be healthy, right? And you should avoid junk food. But in the next case, in the motivational group, you were provided not only with the detailed ideal plan, you were also provided with some benefits. You were also provided with the details of the benefits. Like if you were going to the gym, then it might happen that you will get the girlfriend. If you go to the gym regularly, it might happen that you got the six-pack abs and you got famous in the Instagram. So these types of motivation was done, right? And in the third motivational plus mentor group, they were provided with the ideal plan. They were provided with the ideal plan. They were provided with the details about benefits. And also they were provided with one mentor who were continuously monitoring by individual person. So once you were monitored by individual person, then you feel that yes, yaar, if he or she is monitoring me and I need to report to him regularly, I need to tell him about that what are the issues I am facing, then you must continuously be interrogating that yeah, I am facing this issue. Ma'am, yes, you called me, ma'am, and I am facing this issue. It's like that you are calling me, hello Manoj sir, I am facing issue in the kinematics. Could you please help me, sir? Could you please help me? So I tell you that which type of question you are facing. Sir, the one dimensional is clear, sir. The main issue is with the two dimensional, sir. Then how to solve, sir, two dimensional questions? The package questions were so easy, and I want some another package, and I'm done with the previous year questions, sir. You already did that in the classes, and now I wanted to solve some other books, sir. So I'll provide you some other materials, right? And I'm continuously monitoring you. So this is very important. This is very important that you must be going with the plan which is having mentor. Out of these three groups, what do you think? Which one will be the best? Out of these three groups, which one will perform better? Which will outperforms other? Obviously the third one. Which was given a detailed plan, the plan with benefits, and third one is continuously monitoring. So continuously monitoring is very important, and if you really want to join our courses, or I am saying that if you do not want to miss my classes, then I'm telling you that you must join the Telegram group with the name of ALT-JEE. Okay, there are so many PDF materials present in the on the group. There are free classes, there are announcements, there are discounts and prices going on daily on the basis of your regular activities which you are performing on the group. So you just need to scan this QR code, and get to the Telegram group directly, right? Do not wait. Go to the Telegram group directly, and there are crash courses going on. 90 plus classes for physics, 90 plus classes, and duration of the course is until the date of the exam. Till the date of the exam, we are providing you the courses. The syllabus will be covered from JEE experts like me, the NEET experts, and the method which we were using is the flipped classroom method. Do you know about the flipped classroom methods? Do you know, anyone know about the flipped classroom method? This method is used by European universities. How they were teaching their students so better that they are becoming the leaders of tomorrow. So basically what we were doing in this method is, first we will provide you a short video with the topics which we will be discussing in today's class, and the second step was, once we were done with this short video, we will provide you study material for your self-studying. Once you complete these two steps, then we will be conducting a live class, a live webinar. We'll be saying a live class will be there, and after the live class I am giving you homework, and after homework I am monitoring you. After homework I am monitoring you. So these are 5 steps which we are performing with you, because if you really want to crack the entrance exam from online mode, then these are the steps which you need. Because you know that when you started to solve your homework questions, there are so many doubts popped up. Because when I was with you in the class, then you must be feeling that the questions are simple. But when you were alone at your home, no one was there for your help, then whom do you call? You should know that there is doubt solving sessions going on. There are doubt solving practice sessions going on APJ Academy. So this is the flipped classroom method which I explained you earlier. First thing, you will be provided with the theory. There are 5 steps. First one, you will be provided with the theory. Second one, after theory, you will be provided with the study materials which you can go through. You can go through just like in your kindergarten schools. You were flipping the books, you were flipping the pages and watching that there is some image. We will be solving these types of questions, right? And next, in the live class, I am solving some very good numericals from this study material. And next, whatever left will be your homework, and the homework will be checked by me, regularly monitoring by me. So in the name of me, please subscribe this. Subscribe this. What is the price, sir? What are the features? I already told you that the features of JEE subscription is that there is live doubt, live classes, structured course are there, because there are so many things which is irrelevant when you are preparing for JEE. You need to focus on those things which are very important, which may be asked in your exam. Those things which cannot be asked in your exam or have not asked in your JEE in the entire history. You need to just know about the basics of those things, right? Then third one is that there are live tests, there are physical notes present, there are one-to-one mentorship. Sixth one is the live doubt solving. Seventh one is the mock test. Eighth one is the addition special courses only for the student who is going for the professional courses. So this is all about the special price for smart class. The price is very low. It's only 2990. It's only 2990. What's come in 2990? Complete study material you are getting. Complete study material you are getting. So it's very cheap. It's very affordable for you. So please think about this and subscribe and use code Manoj JEE. So let's move to the previous year question again. Let's move to the previous year question again. So here we have another question. This question is from 2022. So I took this question directly from NTA website. I took this question directly from NTA website. So this was the question asked in last JEE attempt. So how you will be able to solve this question? This question is directly from semiconductor logic gates. So you must know that what are logic gates. How many of you know the logic gates? This gate is AND gate. What is the output of AND gate? I am telling this why. The output of AND gate is AB. This is OR gate. What is the output of OR gate? OR gate is A plus B. What is the output here? There are two inputs, right? And this is NAND gate. This is NAND gate. What is the output of NAND gate? NAND gate output is PQ bar. It's nothing but a combination of and not. So this is NAND gate. It's a combination of and not. So this is NAND gate, combination of and not. Okay. So this is the question and how you will be going to approach this question. How many of you know about the gates, logic gates? These are nothing but logical circuits which we are using to perform some logic, right? These are some circuits which we are using to solve the logical problems which we are facing. So we can solve this question as we know that this P is nothing but Y1, right? So I can write this as Y1 Y2 bar, right? There is Boolean algebra. We have De Morgan's theorem with us, which is Brahmastra of these types of question. So I can easily substitute the value. Y1 value is AB. This value is A plus B, right? So AB and A plus B, and I'm having a bar here. So when I'm multiplying this, I'm getting AB. Why AB? A into A is A only. 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into anything. Means A into A is A. So it's AB and it's AB. AB bar. AB is nothing but AB only. So it's basically AB bar. So AB bar is coming. So this whole circuit is completely a NAND circuit. So what will be the output here? What will be the output here? So the output will be this one. NAND gate. Only when both the inputs are high, such that this will be 1, this will be 1, then the output will be 1 bar. So output will become 0. Only when the both inputs are high, then only the output will be 0. If any one input is low, then the answer is 0 and 0 bar is 1. So if any input is low, then I am getting 1. So the output of this logic gate will be first option. I hope that you are getting what I am saying. Tejas, do you know about this logic gate or do you want some more explanation? You know about logic gate? No? See, just like we have gates in our house which will allow someone or someone not, similarly we have logic gates with us in the electronics. There are three types of logic gates. First one is the basic gates, basic logic gates. The second one is the universal logic gate. And the third one is the exclusive gates. Or I can say special gates. These are three types of logical gates. And in basic gates we have only three gates. First one is AND, second one is OR gate, the third one is NOT gate. Right? We must know some basics about these gates. This topic is very simple. And in the universal gate we have NOR and NAND. These are universal gate. Here we have XOR, XNOR. So today, in today's class, I am telling you about some basic gates, because these are so much important in today's scenario, because 1 or 2 marks questions are coming regularly in every shift. So if you miss out this simple question, then you are missing out 4 marks. And if you are missing out 4 marks, then if you are missing out 10,000 to 20,000 ranks. Are you getting this? The first one is the AND gate. What is AND gate? AND gate is a logical gate. The symbol is like this. This is the symbol. Isn't it looking like D? Right? There are 2 inputs which can be provided to this gate, A and B, and the output we are taking from this side. It will be Y. The formula, the mathematical formula for showing the AND gate is Y is equals to AB. Sir, what is AND gate? We are not getting the AND gate. I am explaining you. Assume that you have a room with you. Assume that you have a room with you. There is 2 bulbs. There are 2 bulbs. The room is completely dark, and there are 2 bulbs. This is a puzzle. There are 2 bulbs in room, and room is completely dark. This bulb is A, this bulb is B. This bulb is A, this bulb is B. Right? So, if I am asking you, that light, this is an example of OR gate basically. See, I am explaining you the OR gate as well. Both will go side by side. This is the symbol of OR gate, A and B, and the output of OR gate is A plus B, right? So here, see my example. We have assume that we have a completely dark room and we have 2 bulbs with us. There are 2 bulbs with us, and if your friend is going into the room, and you will be thinking about that whether it will be dark or not. If he switch on any of the bulb, there are 2 switches. There are 2 switches available, S1 and S2. Okay, in the room there are 2 switches available in the room. If he switch on any of these switches, any of these bulbs, light will be there in the room or not? Will there be light or not? Just a simple question. There is a complete dark room when you are entering, and there are only 2 switches. One is connected with one bulb, other one is connected with the other bulb, and if you switch on any of the bulb, then there will be light or not? There will be light, obviously. And if there is light, then we are saying that if any one input is there, then there will be the output high. As we are dealing with the digital signal, and digital signal are just 1 and 0. Digital signal are 1 and 0. If any of these inputs are high, then the output is high. So if any one of these inputs are high, the output is high. So the truth table of OR gate is 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, right? So it will be 0, it will be 1, 1, 1. The only condition of 0 is when both the switches are off. Your friend didn't bother about that whether he will be switching it on or off, right? So the output or the truth table, Satya Sarani of this OR gate is this. And what about AND? Think of an example like we have A and B with us, the two ends of the battery, just like we have this battery with us, plus and minus. So when we are providing point A, we are providing a connection from point A to the bulb, and we left it from B, then will it light? No, it will not light up. What if we are providing the connection with B but we are missing it from A? Will it light up? No. We have to provide both the inputs at the same time, then only it will light, right? So this is the example of AND gate where we are providing these types of logic. So this is why A dot B both needs to be present there, right? So the truth table of AND gate is AB Y. So it's 0 1 0 1. Drawing truth table is so easy, so damn easy. You just need to write 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, and the only high will be when both the inputs are high, other one are 0. So this is the truth table of OR gate, AND gate. So AND gate is done, OR gate is done, and now we are having third, NOT gate. Now we are having NOT gate. NOT gate is so easy. Why so easy? Because when you are providing one input, the output will be the opposite. If you are having 0 here, the output will be 1. If you are providing 1 here, the output will be 0. This is so simple. This is NOT gate. Okay, so I hope that going through these gates you will be able to solve these types of questions. The other thing you will require is the De Morgan theorem, right? So this is my series of previous year question. Do not miss any lecture, because if you misses any lecture, then you will be missing some concepts. I'll be teaching you so many concepts here. I'll be teaching you so many tricks, and these classes will be regular only when you support the channel, only when you support me. So you have to support me just by recommending my classes with your friend. This is the only way you can support your teacher, right? Will you support me? I require really support from you. So please support this initiative which I am giving you, else will be the byproduct. The other things will be a byproduct. So there is special price going on. The special price is going on for the subscription. It's only for 2990, and please share my classes with your friend. I require a support from you. Hashtag support. Because without your support, we cannot provide you these many classes free of cost, right? So subscribe this YouTube channel. We will meet again day after tomorrow with the very good session on this previous year questions only. So till then, bye-bye. We'll meet again. Hello Tejas. Anything, any doubt you want to ask me? Is there any doubt you want to ask? No? Any doubt, Tejas? Again, I am saying you. In the last, when I am going from here, the winners and losers have same goal. It's just about what is the process you are following. The winners follows a process. that helps them to ace any entrance exam, and the process which we are providing here on APJ Academy, where we are nurturing the young minds to become engineers and doctors. So many free classes are available here. Subscribe this YouTube channel to do not miss any of my classes, because I am providing a gem of online education is here, providing you physics classes daily at 7 p.m. Subscribe this YouTube channel and do not miss, right? So I am going and we are ending this session. Bye bye. We will be meeting again at 7 p.m. day after tomorrow. Bye bye.